Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to make twist and fold pop-up card. So let's start. Here I have a card sheet of size 30 by 10 centimeter. Now we are going to fold it into half. Now keep this aside and take another sheet of size 20 by 10 centimeter. Now we are going to mark 5.5 centimeter horizontally from each corner. Now connect this point diagonally and mark the dents. Repeat the same process with opposite side. Fold these diagonally marked dents. Now we are going to divide this sheet horizontally and then fold along that line. Now fold along that line and then pull these both together towards each other. Now we are going to stick the triangular portion. Apply glue. And here I have find out the center of that pink sheet and stick both the centers on each other. Okay, and we are halfway done. Now take another sheet of size 24 by 9 centimeter and divide it into 4 parts. So mark points at 6, 12, 18. Then connect these dots and mark the dents. Now we are going to fold it in a zigzag manner. We are going to decorate this with using some color paper. Again, fold it into a zigzag. Now we are going to stick this sheet on this greeting that we have made. Apply glue only at upside and downside of the cross marked area. Attach center to the center. And we are done with the twist and fold pop-up card. It looks very difficult, but actually it is very easy to make. Now the decoration part. For the decoration, I am using paper pack of decorative paper. I'm gonna use this design. Take it out from the pack and stick it over the greeting. And look, the greeting card is ready. I kept some space for the photos and writing messages. Please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel.